11 Stranger Things Return officially continues Season 5's character problem. 11 is returning to the world of TV in Stranger Things Tales from 85, a prequel to the main series, but her involvement won't redeem a Season 5 issue. Tales from 85 will take place after Stranger Things Season 2 and will feature 11 alongside other returning characters like Hopper, Mike, Dustin, Will, Lucas, and Max. Set during the winter of 1985, the Stranger Things prequel will be animated and more family-friendly than the main Netflix series. That said, Tales from 85 will feature many of the same horror and sci-fi elements, including new threats from the Upside Down. Knowing what happens to the characters in Stranger Things series finale puts a bit of a damper on the upcoming series, though it will be interesting to see a younger version of the core characters again. That said, viewers, hoping for more of 11 and Mac's friendship, might be disappointed. Seeing as Tales from 85 takes place before the events of Stranger Things Season 3, 11 and Max won't be friends in the animated spin-off. Max made her series debut in Season 2, but she didn't directly meet Elle until Chapter 9, The Gate. Even then, Elle wasn't too excited to get to know the newcomer after witnessing Mac's interactions with Mike. At the beginning of Stranger Things Season 3, 11's jealousy lifted, allowing Elle and Max to bond over their respective boyfriend issues. They may have been more familiar with one another leading into the season, but they certainly weren't friends yet. Unless Tales from 85 retcons their relationship history, the tension between the characters will likely still be present. Not only did Max become 11's first female friend, but she was also one of her best friends in general. In Stranger Things Season 4's ending, Elle did everything she could to try to protect Max, later becoming the one to revive her. Despite saving her life, Elle and Max's reunion in Stranger Things Season 5 was underwhelming. When Max woke up from her coma trance in Stranger Things, she quickly encountered 11 at the hospital. Aside from a brief hug, their close friendship wasn't on display. They later teamed up in the Stranger Things series finale, but the sequence in Henry's mind was short-lived. Max was at the gate when Elle revealed her plan to disappear, though the pair never had any more scenes together. There was no question that Elle's absence heavily affected Max, considering how emotional she became upon hearing Mike's story about what he thinks happened to Elle. Still, it would have been great to have the duo interact more in the show's final season, especially since the prequel's timeline doesn't allow for a real friendship if aiming for continuity. Interestingly, Stranger Things Tales from 85 is rewriting the show's lore by bringing in another young female character into the mix. The prequel will feature a new character named Nikki Baxter, who will join the young group when more upside-down threats emerge in Hawkins. If 11 was hesitant to accept Max into the group, it's safe to assume that it will be the same case with Nikki, at least at first. The character was never seen or mentioned in the main story, so Stranger Things Tales from 85 will need to explain her fate. Even if she finds a friend in Max or 11, it won't redeem the lack of friendship on display in Season 5.